Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. Thursday, January 22nd at 10:17 p.m. Long day. Got out and was heading to Danbantayan, way up to the north end of the island. Got pretty close and then ran into they're working on the bridge and don't have a way across here. You got to go a detour. Detour was, yeah, goat trail, more rock than road. And yeah, up a hill that was horrible. I turned around after about 150 yards up there and came back down and called it a day on that. But yeah, even with there and back and 310 in pesos in gas, only spent 880 pesos, 83, I think. So, pretty cheap day. I ate out and filled the tank. So, it's a good one. I'm going to try to go a different route tomorrow or next week. I'm not sure. Uh, yeah, trying to figure that out's a lot of fun. Uh, but I will give it a go. I'm not sure, like I say, which way I'm going to head out. Part of me wants to go to the south. The other part wants to go back to the north. So, yeah, we'll figure it out. I haven't been as far south, but yeah, got all the way up to Bagao and was heading north of that and had to come back. It was an enjoyable day. Good solid 6 hours of riding. And yeah, I had lots of fun. It was actually cool today. Uh, yeah, nice breezy, just pleasant. Was going to try to stay awake for something, uh, part of the fiesta thing going on. They're just getting done with the church at 9. I gave up around 9:15. Uh, and then this other part was starting at about 10. And like I said, here it is 10:20, and I'm doing this, putting it in the can, and I'm going to go to bed. It's been a very good day, though. I'm tired. And that's important. Wear yourself out, getting to go out and do things and enjoy your day. Saw a place that I liked in the way of an apartment, but the monthly was higher than what I've got here. So, yeah. But it was a nice apartment. I could have definitely lived there on either of those two. Uh, yeah, I'm looking to, go down in cost, not up. But it was a real nice, beautiful view. I think I even got a short video of it, 15 seconds or something. I'll try to get that one up here soon. Tired. Anyway, yeah, I did do a bunch of bouncing around uh, on that thing, and there was a couple other bridges that there was detours around it that went down over some rock and come back up over little padded and yeah temporary bridge, uh, which is good. They're getting it worked on, but yeah, from what I can see, they'll be working on that stuff for quite a while. Yeah, looks like the where they were have that detour, it was actually getting close to being done, but wasn't quite yet. But there were a bunch of places up there where you could see the concrete on the road had separated 3, 5, 6 inches. Off in that ballpark. There's one that was about a foot, but came in, filled it in with dirt, and pounded it down, and yeah, added more dirt and tried to pound that down. Still left a good bum when you hit him. So yeah, they're trying, and I understand they got a lot of extra road to take and patch after that earthquake, and they're getting to it as fast as they can. So yay. Uh, I feel for them, but there was some of those roads that were really nice and enjoyable little ride, and then you'd hit a bad spot. But most of it was actually an enjoyable ride. But I am definitely tired. The shoulders are sore. 6 hours of solid riding. Yeah. Anyway, I'll figure tomorrow out when tomorrow gets here. Today, I'm done. Long enough that I have enjoyed. I'm tired. I've eaten. Even actually caught up with my peanut guy and got some peanuts. Ain't seen him. Well, I've seen him, but I've been riding the bike and always on the other side. Today, I made sure I got over there because I knew he was there, and decided to swing by and get some peanuts. I like peanuts; they're good. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Do you? More food, more friends, more family, and again, more food. I'm William. William's Philippines. I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.